This is your CBS 46 News Flash Briefing, brought to you by West Shore Home.
And good afternoon. I'm Alicia Roberts. All new on this Thursday afternoon, President Trump says the Food and Drug Administration will fast track antiviral treatments for patients with the coronavirus. The vice president also speaking, cautioning everyone to expect higher case numbers reported. This is the number of tests available increases. These announcements coming during the daily briefing from the coronavirus task force at the White House. Happening right now, brand new numbers out on the growing number of virus cases here in Georgia. Right now, our state is reporting at least 287 cases and at least 10 deaths nationwide. More than 9,400 Americans are infected. That number nearly doubling since yesterday. More than 150 people have died nationwide. Fulton County here locally has the most confirmed cases with 66. That's followed up by Cobb County with 37 and Bartow County with 26. Meantime, today, Atlanta's Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms has signed an executive order to close all gyms, health clubs, movie theaters, nightclubs, bowling alleys, and private social clubs. Restaurants will also now be limited to carry out only. The mayor saying on Twitter that, quote, the fate of cities across the globe will be upon us soon if we do not follow ways to slow the spread of the virus. The coronavirus emergency has also prompted the Johns Creek Police Department, effective immediately, to close its headquarters to the general public until further notice. If you do need to speak to an officer, you're asked to call your local precinct. From the state capitol, we have new information on State Senator Brandon Beach of Alpharetta, who has tested positive for the coronavirus. The lieutenant governor's office says Senator Beach's symptoms started 8 days ago, and he is now in self-quarantine. State health officials are now also recommending that all Georgia state senators, as well as their staff, self-quarantine for 14 days. Right now, we are also looking into reports of long lines at the first drive-through coronavirus testing sites in both Cobb and Douglas counties. Those sites are not open to the public. Patients there have to already be pre-screened. Officials say those who have mild or moderate symptoms should still stay home at this time. But one Douglas mom we spoke with says she hasn't recovered in the 9 days she has self-isolated, and now she can't find a test site available anywhere.
And I called 2 hospitals, my doctor again, urgent care, the CDC, the health department, and nobody seemed to know anything.
So frustrating for her. We can empathize there. We did press officials who say drive-through testing sites must be restricted to the highest risk patients until more widespread testing is available. Priority now, though, given to healthcare workers, priority to safety officers as well who help the public and those who work in nursing homes. We are leading the coverage on the deadly coronavirus outbreak, giving you hourly updates on the CBS 46 streaming app and on our Facebook page. You can download our app for free in the Apple App Store and on Google Play. Right now, I want to shift gears a bit. It is the first day of spring, so let's get a check on today's weather with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Valdez. And Jennifer, it almost feels like summer.
I know. Spring is finally here. Temperatures will be very spring-like, in fact, summer-like. We're getting up to the 80s today with a high of 81 this afternoon, partly sunny skies, and no rain. Finally, no rain in the forecast. So it's going to be a day that I think you're definitely going to love. The beautiful weather will continue through tonight. No rain this evening, staying really mild through the evening. Tomorrow, that's when rain moves back in the forecast, but it won't be until late tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, tomorrow at lunchtime, tomorrow in the early afternoon, it will be dry. But by the evening, that's when the rain moves in. So as we go hour by hour, looking great the rest of today, looking great tomorrow morning. But as we head into 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., that's when that rain starts to move in, and it will continue through early Saturday morning. Could see some thunderstorms as well, although we are not expecting any severe weather. And of course, we will keep you updated as the rain approaches right here on CBS 46.
This has been your personal flash briefing from CBS 46 News, brought to you by West Shore Home, Atlanta's one-day bath remodeler.